Insomnia is a problem that's affecting millions of Americans. It's a very serious problem that can cause fatigue, anxiety, and depression, and increases the risk for many other health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and high blood pressure. Amongst those who have the worst problems with insomnia tend to be the 10% of the adult population that suffer from restless legs. And because of the increased amount of insomnia, they are at higher risk for those associated conditions. What is restless legs? It's a neurological sensory motor disorder that causes patients to experience these weird, hard to describe, very uncomfortable sensations in their legs associated with this irresistible urge to move their legs. The symptoms occur when the patient's at rest, and the only way to get relief is by rubbing their legs, moving their legs, or getting out of bed and walking. Restless legs occurs maximally at bedtime, so as you can see, this easily causes very significant sleep disruption. And since restless legs tends to get worse over time and it's a chronic condition, before they get appropriate treatment, patients can suffer from years of sleep deprivation. Now, what are the treatments for restless legs? Until recently, the only options we had were medications. And medications can sometimes be very effective, but they don't work in everybody, and of course, they have a whole bunch of side effects that can bother lots of patients. Therefore, it's really good that we have a new non-drug treatment available called the Relaxis pad, which is actually the first FDA-approved treatment that is not a pill. Now, what is the Relaxis pad? It's a medical device that provides an adjustable vibration. Patients can turn this on when they're in bed and have a restless leg attack. They just put it in their bed and they sleep on it, and when they get this attack, they activate the device and it provides this vibration which takes care of the restless leg symptoms, makes them lesser or go away, so they don't have to rub their legs, they don't have to get out of bed and walk, they can just simply go back to sleep. This device has been FDA approved after 2 studies showed that it worked very well and helped restless leg patients get back to sleep. I found in my practice that many of my patients with restless legs who have tried this device have found that it helps their symptoms and helps promote better sleep. Now, if you're a patient wondering, is this for you, you should first discuss this with your own doctor and see if it's an appropriate device for treating your restless leg symptoms. Or you can go to the company's website and actually download and perform a self-assessment test to see whether this device is appropriate for you at myrelaxis.com.